Hey guys, this is Vamshi again, back with another tutorial. This time, I am going to be teaching you about how to merge your Flutter app with Firebase. Now, I have the same Notes app running, but I have made these two changes that I have created a login page and a sign up page. So when you click the sign up will show up, and when you go back to login, the login is going to show up. I've configured it in such a way that main is directly going to go to the login page. So as soon as you open the app, the login is going to be running. There's not much of a great thing. There's just a pattern here for the validation of the email ID. So basically, it's nothing but a scaffold with an app bar which says login at the top. Yeah, you can see that I changed my screen mirroring thing, and I have a background color for the whole background. There is a kind of a dark gray. We have a container for this card, container within which there's a card. The container has a size, a height and a width and a height. And then we are gonna put a shape around a rectangle border, and we're gonna make a form over here. This form is gonna have this form key which is over here. It's a global key, and we have a column which says the padding for the username and padding for the password. Now, after that, we have another column which says login and sign up for both of the buttons. That's it. And we have our navigator button, our navigator function over here. Same thing over here too, but here instead it's just in sign up, it's just username, password, sign up, and then back to login. That's it. So a simple setup actually. I have not linked Firebase yet, so let's go into it. The first thing, go to our pub.dev Firebase auth authentication. Go to installing, copy this, and you know how to do it. Just import everything. Come back here. Now comes the main part. Go to the top and import our Firebase auth. That which is not going to be used yet. I'm gonna save it. Before that, I'm just gonna commit it, saying that validate forms, because I just I mean, like, I know this is a wrong commit, I know, but still. So let's say, okay, let's just go ahead. Now for login, I'm gonna create a new function over here. It's gonna be login. I know, a very strange name, and it's gonna be an asynchronous function. And yeah, so when the user presses the login button, if I've set it to validate that, let's say you're typing a wrong mail ID, and if you go shift, and if you, let's say, login, it'll give you an alert. I can actually do auto validate here. I think I've done it for the other one, but it's actually kind of messy. So let's just go back, reload the app so that it just looks neat. And that in the meantime, over here, yes, I have, yeah, yes, here it is. Now, here, on pressed for the login button, if the form key's current state, validate it, and if it returns the 1, then execute whatever is gonna happen now. Here I'm gonna shift it to login function. That's it. It's gonna come here. For testing it out, I'm gonna just print out some text like star, like this, and then semicolon. Let's see, login, okay, at the rate something or something, login. Oh yeah, here we go. It works. I'm gonna click login again and again. Yep, it works. It's working perfectly. I guess I should switch on auto validate for the form. It's very simple, just put it to true. That's it. Oh, sorry. Yeah, just put it to true and you're done. That's it. Now I'm just gonna reload this thing. So let's print. For now, let's just leave it like that. Now let's go into the main part, shall we? Come back to here. You can see how do you register a user, and then how do you sign in. So let's not mess around with it first. We are gonna first mess around with our registering the user, right? Now go back to our code, sign up code, and then at the top we have to create a new variable called as Firebase auth. It's not a variable, I think it's a constant. Yep, it is a constant. Now over here, yes, let's create this thing. Undefined class Firebase auth. Oh, oh yes, I know. We have not imported our Firebase auth here, so definitely that's gonna show up. And here we go. We fixed the error. As simple as that. So let's just go into the sign up page here now. Now comes here. I'm gonna create a new function called sign up e, and it's an asynchronous function. And over here it's gonna launch the sign up e function when we click it. We know that it works because we tested it out for the last one, so this has to work. For clarity, I'm just gonna give it as username, mail ID. For just the UI thing and stuff. I'm very bad at UI actually. I have a friend who is very good, so let's not mess into that right now. So we're gonna be a bit faster here. Sign up now. Go down here. Here this is. Just paste it here. Now wait. Here it is underscore auth, right? Yeah. Here we go. This here final Firebase user called user await. So it's gonna await for the return of this thing underscore auth, which we declared above. Create user with email and password. Email an email, password a password. Dot user. Fine. Now to do this, we are gonna have to do a bit of stuff first. So let me just comment this out for now. To do this, it's Control Shift A and just search for comment, and you're gonna get that thing because we're gonna be uncommenting it soon. Now we have to create two controllers. So it is text editing controller, uname, and text editing controller, pwd. Here text form field controller for uname, and over here text form field controller for pwd. Now come back here to our function, print them out. Oh, see, no, print uname plus pwd and semicolon dot text. Sorry, this is very necessary. Dot text is necessary, and the space here to make it more identifiable. I'm just gonna name a print function with stars like this and a semicolon. Oops, sorry, like this. Very well, very well. Now sign up, right? Yeah. I'm just gonna put some email ID. So basically, oh no, wait. Obscure text. I forgot to put some obscure over here. Obscure text is true. Oh no. Yeah. Good. Super. Now let's see. I'm gonna click on sign up. And what did we get here? Messages. Run. I did not get anything. Sign up. I'm clicking on it, but nothing's working. Something's wrong, right? Terminal, no, logcat, no, run. No, okay, just reload the app. Sometimes it happens like, oh, sorry for that. And we're back. Let's see. Now, put in some, oh no, wait, it's a sign up. Put in some data. Click on sign up. Nothing happens. Okay. Why is that so? Hmm. Okay, wait. We'll do one thing. We know that our login page is working, right? So let's just gonna copy these here and give the controllers to our form fields. Oh yeah, I forgot to put this in the other page. Controller is uname and password. Okay, here controller pwd. Here I'm gonna copy that last function, the last two lines here, and paste it over here. Ah, this will be good. Go back to my login at the rate something dot something. Okay. Okay, we got something here. Okay, yeah, this happens a lot. So what you do here is just stop the compilation, compile it again. I don't know why that happens. That's a kind of a bug or something. I don't know. I don't know what's wrong there, but huh, this is horrible. That is really, really horrible. I don't know why that happens. Let's just see what happens now. I'm gonna compile this and let's see. Until that time, we're gonna go to our Firebase console and create our first user. I'm gonna show you how to create it. Not using the form button, but it's okay. Not using the form page, but let's see. I'm gonna go to our console and our Notes app. Oh no, what happened? No, what's happening? Okay, authentication. Yes, go to Notes app and go to authentication. Set up a sign-in method, and we're going to be using email and password and enable that thing. And click on save. That's it. Go back to our users. Add a user. I'm going to put it as abcd@ma.com. I don't know something. Password is going to be 123456. Oopsie. And add a user. That is done. You can see that the user ID is here, right? So let's see where our compilation has come to. It's an Azure debug. So it's going to take a bit of time for now. So this is our user here, and you can also actually validate the users, but I don't think that's much needed for our app right now. So let's just go ahead. We can actually implement our Google login like this. Credential is a Google Auth provider. Get the credential from that. Access token and ID token. If the user is signed in with credential, not user, signed in as user.displayname. It's as simple as that. Now, okay, this is taking a bit of while actually. I don't know why it's happening. For signing in with a normal user, like how we created right now, it is very simple. I'm going to show you how it is done until this gets compiled. I don't know why it's taking so long. Okay, I'm gonna pause and play back. And okay, done. Super. I thought it was gonna take a while. So it's built. It's installing it, and it should open up any moment now. Yes, it's here. The app is here. login and some password. I click on login. Oh, we still got an error. And why is that so? The getter text was called a null. Why is it null? Hmm. We have a problem here then. So we actually encountered this error when we were doing our notes app, if you remember. Notes, I think. I think that was my repository. Nope. Okay, I'm just gonna go back here. Go to repositories. It'll be here. Firebase notes. This is my repository. And yeah, library, notes dot. Oh no, create actually. It's in create. I don't know why that happened. Okay, I think we have to initialize it as a what do you call that? A constructor? Yeah, we call it a constructor. Yes, I remember. What is equal to? What is YouTube? Now it should get compiled. Okay, login. Again error. Why is the error again? I don't know. Okay, for now let's just not gonna validate stuff here because I don't need it right now. Where is that thing? Here. So what we're gonna do is just comment this out. Control Shift A, and here too. Oh, wait, where is it? Validator. Yeah, here. Save. Login. Okay. What is this? Okay, fine. I'm just gonna uncomment everything then. Oh, wait. Yeah, here we go. We got it. We got our stuff here. Now that's working well. So now, okay, fine. Let us just log in here, right? Good. Now, Firebase auth dot instance dot sign in with. Oh wait. Find signing method for email. Current user to string. Sign in with your email and password. Here it is. Our email is nothing but uname.text, and our password is nothing but pwd.text. p.text, and then semicolon. So we're gonna set a variable here, something like or maybe I can set a progress indicator, right? Progress indicator is equal to await, but types cannot be assigned a value. Fine. Okay, never mind. So it's actually supposed to be an await. Okay, fine. Firebase user, I guess. Firebase user, yeah, is equal to await. What? Auth result cannot be assigned. Hmm. Okay, fine. Okay, then on the value, what we're gonna do is print our value dot user dot user ID. Where's ID? There's something. Yeah, here. So basically, what our function is supposed to do is print out this 5b7j something with our username and password. So we'll do one thing. We'll just comment this out for now, so that it just prints our user ID. And let's see. I saved it. Oops, sorry. Saved it. Come back here. So it is supposed to be abcd@ma.com. And what? Oh, this is 123456. Oh wait. After this, after printing it, transport. What is that? Navigator. Navigator to next screen, which is supposed to be notes. 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 Notes function. Semicolon. Okay. Let's see. Click on login. Oh yes. Here we go. That worked out perfectly. You can see our yeah, here it is. Ta-da! And that's it. That's how you log in, basically. So we have our old notes here. So that is done. That's all done, basically. We're going to sign up also. So for that, we are gonna go to sign up button, enter some random email ID, password, check if that button works. First of all, the sign up button is not working. I don't know why. Why is the sign up button not working now? Sign up. Is form key validate on sign up, but sign P. That is the problem. Sign up. Sign up. Okay. The getter text was called on null again because we have to initialize this as a constructor. So yeah. Oh, yes, I had. Oh, this is one of the few times when I have not copied and I left stuff like that, like just like that. And let's see. Sign up. Oh, I think we have to still recompile it again. I will rerun, reload the app. Maybe. Let's see. Okay, fine. Is there ID something and I have to change the validate key to email. Yeah, here we go. It works. It works. I'm sorry for that. That was unexpected. Now let's go down here. We saw that our thing is here. Those notifications. Okay, fine. And our email is nothing but our uname dot text, and our password is nothing but our pwd dot text. See, over here I'm doing a very basic authentication, so it is not secure. Oh no 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 no. Here, I'm gonna put it as something like abc at am.com. Okay, abc at am.com, and password is gonna be 123456 again. Let us see. For verification dot, no wait, instead of dot user, yeah, that is correct. That is correct. Now user dot, okay wait, print user dot uid file. This should work hopefully. And then afterwards we have to navigate this, right? Navigate to notes app, notes page. That shows that it is successfully been successfully signed up. Let us see. Sign up. Okay, and we have got something here. Prepare to create service. Oh, it works. Let's just see here. It is supposed to be abc at am.com, right? Let's just see. Yes, here we go. Here we go. Amazing. That's it. That is it. Thank you for watching the video. Have a nice time.